Hi everybody, let's study. This code demonstrates an example of using the K-means. The K-means method. For clustering the iris dataset based on its features. First, the necessary libraries are imported: Seaborn to load the iris datasets and K-means from Scaleon cluster for clustering. Then the iris dataset is loaded using the load datasets function from the Seaborn library, and the first 5 rows are displayed using the head method. Next, the features to be used for clustering and the target variables are extracted. In this case, the target variable is the species of iris. Then a K-means object created with a number of clusters equals to 3, then KMeans object is created with a number of clusters equal to 3, the number of classes, the target variables, and with a fixed random state. The model is trained on the features X using the fit methods. After training, the model cluster labels are added to the iris dataset. Then the cluster label values for every 10th row, the cluster centers, and an example of predicting the cluster label for new data using the predict method are displayed. The model Then the cluster label varies for every 10th row, the cluster centers, and an example of predicting the cluster's label for new data using the predict methods are displayed. Then the cluster labels, the results of the cluster evaluation using silhouette score and RI are displayed on the screen. The cluster labels values for every 10th row. The cluster centers are displayed. And then the cluster labels displayed. And an example of predicting the cluster label for new data using the predict method are displayed. The silhouette score metric is then used to evaluate the quality of clustering. First, the cluster labels are computed using the labels methods of the KMeans object. Then the silhouette score functions from sklearn matrix is called, which takes the feature matrix X, the cluster labels, and the distance metric. The result is a silhouette score value which reflects how similar objects are within clusters and how different objects are from different clusters. Then the adjusted rand index array is calculated, which is a measure of similarity between two sets of class labels, true labels and labels obtained after clustering. The results of clustering evaluation using silhouette score and array are displayed on the screen. Import, import, extract features, train KMeans models, add cluster, calculate silhouette score, and print. Calculate score and calculate array adjusted rand score and print adjusted rand score. Thank you everybody. Goodbye.